Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this. It's bringing you valuable information that the media hides from you, so please, to make sure you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps our work. The Great Pyramid of Giza has fascinated humanity for millennia. Standing as a colossal structure, perfectly aligned to the stars, it has been called a tomb, a monument, or even a miracle of engineering. Yet some theorists argue that its true purpose is far more profound. It is a key to our past, a repository of knowledge hidden in stone. The precision of the pyramid is extraordinary. The base is nearly perfectly level. The sides align almost exactly with the cardinal points, and the interior chambers are constructed with meticulous care. Could this level of sophistication be a simple tomb? Or does it suggest understanding far beyond what we attribute to ancient civilizations? Theory suggests that the pyramid encodes astronomical knowledge, its alignment with Orion's belt, the position of the stars at the time of construction, and the corridor's angles may all contain information about our cosmos, potentially guiding future generations in understanding celestial patterns. Some researchers propose that the pyramid is a time capsule designed to preserve information about humanity's origins. Hieroglyphs, symbols, and geometric arrangements may serve as a coded message, waiting for the moment when humanity is ready to decipher it. Inside the pyramid, the chambers are mysterious. The King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, and the Grand Gallery have puzzled archaeologists for centuries. Their arrangement, proportions, and design suggest they serve purposes beyond burial, perhaps as tools for energy, sound, or resonance that convey hidden knowledge. Theories of advanced technology in the pyramid are controversial. Some suggest the stone blocks were cut and positioned using methods unknown to us, possibly harnessing energy fields or resonance. Could the pyramid itself be a machine designed to store or transmit information? The pyramid's geometry may encode mathematical constants, such as pi and phi. These constants, fundamental to understanding the universe, appear to be integrated into its design. Could the builders have possessed advanced mathematical knowledge, or were they guided by a source beyond ordinary understanding? Some ancient texts suggest that the Great Pyramid contains records of past civilizations, even those predating Egypt itself. Could it be a chronicle of human history, encoded in stone, hiding truths lost to conventional archaeology? The layout of the pyramid also aligns with the concept of sacred geometry. The proportions, angles, and relationships between chambers may encode principles that govern nature, energy, and consciousness. Could this geometric knowledge be a key to unlocking our understanding of reality? Theory suggests the pyramid may have served as a repository for spiritual knowledge. Initiates or priests may have used its chambers for meditation, rituals, or transmission of wisdom, harnessing the pyramid's structure to amplify energy or consciousness. Some researchers believe the pyramid's construction required knowledge of energy fields. Alignments with magnetic north, the stars, and the surrounding landscape may have been designed to channel energy, creating a map or system that conveys hidden knowledge to those who understand it. The precision of the stone cutting is baffling. Some blocks weigh tens of tons, yet are perfectly shaped and fitted. Ancient tools, as we understand them, seem insufficient for such work. Could this suggest assistance from technologies or knowledge lost to history? Inside, the pyramid contains mysterious shafts and channels. While some argue these are ventilation, others suggest they are conduits for energy or information. Could the Great Pyramid function as a transmitter or receiver, bridging the physical and metaphysical realms? Ancient civilizations often encoded knowledge in symbolic form. The pyramids, proportions, chambers, and alignments may act as a symbolic language, preserving knowledge about astronomy, mathematics, and human potential for future generations. Some theorists suggest the pyramid was built with the knowledge of a cataclysmic event in mind. Its design could encode information about floods, cosmic cycles, or other planetary events, warning humanity of dangers or preserving memory of past disasters. The pyramid's location on the Giza Plateau may also hold significance. Positioned at the heart of ancient Egypt, it aligns with other monuments in ways that suggest a network, a map of hidden knowledge connecting multiple sites across the landscape. The Great Pyramid may contain hidden chambers, yet undiscovered, Some speculate that deeper or sealed rooms hold records, artifacts, or inscriptions that reveal the true purpose of the structure. Could the key to our past lie behind a door we have yet to open? Vibration and resonance are also theorized to play a role. The chambers may have been designed to resonate at specific frequencies, amplifying sound, energy, or consciousness, turning the pyramid itself into a device for knowledge transmission. Some suggest the pyramid was designed to encode knowledge of human potential. From energy manipulation to consciousness expansion, its design may provide guidance for unlocking latent abilities, knowledge that was hidden to prevent misuse. The Great Pyramid's alignment with the Nile and surrounding monuments may encode geographical and astronomical knowledge. Its position could act as a reference system, preserving information about Earth, the heavens, and our place in the cosmos. Theories of extraterrestrial involvement abound. Some claim that the pyramid's construction, precision, advanced knowledge imply guidance from beings with technology or wisdom far beyond humanity. Could it be a gift or a record from an advanced civilization? The pyramid may also be a symbolic key, representing stages of human development, consciousness, and understanding. The journey through its chambers could mirror a path of enlightenment, each step encoding lessons about the universe and ourselves. Mathematical and astronomical patterns in the pyramid are mirrored in other ancient sites around the world. Some theorists believe this indicates a shared source of knowledge, a global understanding encoded in stone, waiting for humanity to rediscover it. The pyramid's survival over millennia also speaks to intention. Its resilience may not only protect the physical structure, but preserve the knowledge within, ensuring that secrets of the past survive until the world is ready to comprehend them. Some speculate that the pyramid contains knowledge about cosmic cycles, predicting planetary events, alignments, or shifts. Could its design be a calendar, a warning, or a guide for understanding the movements of Earth and the heavens? The internal architecture may encode sacred numbers, astronomical distances, and even advanced concepts of physics. Could the builders have known truths about the universe that we are only beginning to rediscover through modern science? The Great Pyramid challenges everything we think about ancient civilization. Its purpose, construction, and design hint at knowledge and intention far beyond what is taught in history books. Could it be that this monument is humanity's greatest message from the past? In the end, the Great Pyramid may not be a tomb, but a key to understanding human history, the cosmos, and the knowledge that ancient builders sought to preserve. Unlocking its secrets may reveal truths that redefine what we know about ourselves and the world we inhabit. Our channel is 100% focused on stories like this, bringing you valuable information that the media hides from you. So please, to make sure you don't miss videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps our work.